In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the click order for animations in PowerPoint, making your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're creating a new presentation from scratch or working on an existing one, understanding how to manage the animation order is crucial. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by clicking on your Windows icon located at the bottom left side of your screen. From here, launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint is open, you can either choose to open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're starting from scratch, take a moment to add your content, such as photos, tables, and any other elements that you'll need for your slides. Next, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window, where you'll find the ribbon. Several tabs are available, but the one we're interested in today is the Animations tab. Click on it to access various tools that will help us set up our animations. Within the Animations tab, locate the section called Advanced Animation. In this section, you'll find the Animation pane button. Click on this button and you'll see the animation pane slide out on the right side of your screen. This pane is your control center for all things animation on the current slide. The animation pane will display a list of all the animations that are currently applied to your slide. Each animation will be numbered according to its current order of execution. This visual overview will help you see how the animations are currently set to play out, and more importantly, it allows you to adjust their sequence as needed. To change the order of animations, click on the specific animation you want to move. Once selected, you can simply drag and drop that animation to its new position within the list. The rest of the animations will automatically adjust their numbers to reflect this new order. This drag and drop method is particularly user-friendly, allowing you to quickly reorganize how each element appears on your slide. Now that you've reordered your animations, it's a good idea to preview how they'll play out with the new sequence. To do this, look for the Play From button within the animation pane. Clicking this button will preview the animations according to the new order you've just set, giving you the chance to ensure that they flow just as you intend. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to set and manage the click order for animations in PowerPoint. This skill will not only enhance the visual impact of your presentations, but will also help keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.